Okay, so you just want to mix this to very light trace, and it's going to mix a little bit quicker because not all the olives in there. And I can feel it already starting to get thick. So, and once you put it in these containers, it'll loosen up a little bit more, and so will the once you add the essential oils. So if you can see, it's very light on top. So I'm going to get as much as I can off here and start filling the containers, and each container will be filled evenly. I just eyeball them. You could use a scale and figure it all out, but I just do it by eyeball. And I was almost out of alkanet root, so this is going to be probably a really light purple if anything, so we'll see how it looks. Might change my sequence of my colors. Essential oils, sweet orange colors your batter, so I'm just going to use it in my in certain colors. I'm going to use it in my green, my orange, and my white, and then because these are, once they weigh out, it's 50-50, and then I'm going to put my lighter, my lemon, and my lavandin into these three right here, and I'm just eyeballing it. So once I put my essential oils, this batter loosens up pretty good again. So I might have to sit and wait just for it to thicken up a little bit before I pour. So my nettle is going to be almost a yellow once I add this. It doesn't show up too much, but I have just dyed plain white with a lot of sweet orange, and I got almost a fluorescent yellow, so it definitely colors your batter. And then same with patchouli, you'll get kind of a brownish color. So if you're trying to get certain colors, you might want to watch what essential oils you're using also. Lemongrass, you'll get a slight yellow color. May chain, there's a bunch of them. So lime is kind of a green color. So I'm just going to mix these really good, and they're this is kind of light trace, so I might be able to start getting them ready. I might just wait a minute and just make sure it gets a little bit thicker. So these are, let me flip this around. I got this on a tripod. So these are the order we're going to go in, and I want to break up these colors a little bit. So I might put some blue in between there. So make sure I don't pour them in backwards. And this is the pitcher we're using. It's just a old Rubbermaid pitcher. So I will start getting them ready. Flipping the blue and the alkanet. The alkanet, I didn't have enough infusion in there, so I had to use olive oil. So it's just going to be a gray, but it's all good. So the color we want on top will go in first, and this is where I did it backwards last time. So you're just gonna pour on one side of your spout, or you can pour down your spout. I kind of like the look on the side. I'm gonna leave a little bit in there because this batch was a little bit bigger to fit this mold. I already had the oils and stuff measured out, so I used it. So I think what I want to do is break up them colors a little bit with some dark. So I'm just going to put a little tiny bit of the blue. Actually, I'll do it in between the white and the pink. So I'm just putting a little bit of the blue in there, not all of it, just to contrast them a little bit. Okay, so you're going to want to prop this up on one side. I'm just going to use an old oven mitt at a slight angle so you can see that. Now I'm going to get as close to the edge so I'm not hitting the bottom of my pitcher. And you just go back and forth.